Chese chama Wontumi no. Onya wadamfo.
Dabi.
Nyonu netu galamsey no.
Dabi.
Ayaba no kwa adu wo ho.
Dabi.
Wo so onya wadamfo.
Yes.
But we see how here obedi adanse ama no.
Na nan wasan so admit say we mu share before the trial.
Oshia as what?
Awe hin.
As e dey no chia wo. Baby King enra owura otchere kane Western
regional minister.
Regional minister.
Okay.
Kodi adanse ma yewa chama Wontumi. Na wote bofu de mekan wo. Na wonso so wachirim kama why? Justice Samsai. Ena osha asiese or cross examine eye owura Kwabena otchere da komensa. Wono no ebedi adanse de ama chama Wontumi. Na bacho tie. Kindly read page 2, the last sentence of your witness statement.
But no one I catch any uncle.
Just a some say, and I catch a Kwabena otchere da komensa say. One kind we know, and to all kind we say.
Yo.
Kindly read page 2, the last sentence of your witness statement.
Yo. Auntie, we abamra ni mukrache. Na Bediachire. Samsai. Ena emra Kwabena otchere da komensa anka ne Western regional minister. Wojina da kamuso obedi adanse no. Asembise di kan ya wotoma ne ne se. Na danse na wo se obaba bedi no. Ye kruche de gun krata so. Na krata fa mienu. Ensem na ya kyero no. Asem wo twatro no ono ankan na yintie.
Defense witness 4 read a different page.
Ana Kwabena otchere da komensa. Krata fa to so mienu na onkan no. Okokan krata fa foforo.
Or answer different question.
And then page 2 no go be a page foforo. Yo. Afa
prosecution lawyer. Yes, Samsai. I said page 2, the last sentence.
I wanna the original man and I want to do Samsai say you're welcome. Me say Katafla to sumienu. Man ka say it ho.
Defense witness 4 read a different page again.
What you know this is say? I didn't say Katafla to sumienu. Dia ya kyero no asem atwato. Ena wo kwako bi akyere ho. Ena metwe wadwe is say dabi. Me say Katafla to sumienu. Na nei na wasanso akwa kan baby fufuro biem.
We Jáil like ra.
We to football.
Nana said here. Judge, kindly listen to him carefully, or let me help you. Page 2, the last sentence.
Anna, woman who could before our deputy attorney general, Sam said,
I'm the judge in Kwanekon.
I judge in any.
I judge.
Anna judge in the say. Kwabena otchere da komensa. Yes, I didn't cut a fair to sumienu. Anna be na dia ya kyerɛ wo no a de atwato no kan wo na sɛ a kana memua.
Defense witness 4 read it correctly this time to the court.
Na judge ba mu no awedi ohun krata fra to so mienu no ehu baby eso an kenkan no e ma ne kenkan kyerɛ court no.
Justice Samsai na ebeka say I want you to answer yes or no the following questions.
And mranim ni Samsai e ka kyerɛ Kwabena otchere da komensa wo bedi adanse amache ma Wontumi say asema bi bebisa wi emetoato amba wada mepe anya na adabi.
Defense witness 4 okay.
And Kwabena otchere da komensa say you work and say mate.
Even in court okura no yenka okay wo.
Nana yenka okay.
Here courtroom language. For no unim lawyer be after.
Yes, my lord.
Pay prosecution lawyer Samsai. Are you here on behalf of Western Regional Security Council, that's RESEC, to testify on behalf of accused person 1 and 3, that is Wontumi plus Akunta Mining and then another A1?
Oh, I say, oh, Baba Bedia dan said, Yama, Ato Kyeremanteng Bambo Batabuaku. And Yama, Chama Wontumi, Akunta Mining, and about Kojo Kyeremanteng.
Kwabena Agyarko. No.
And was say, Gabby.
Okay. Nana was wrong. Are you here on behalf of the people of Takwari constituency, which you are a member of parliament, to testify for the accused persons?
Yo, and he said, what's it that be my minister was met to me, say. And you know what I say? Takwari about to Pesia, no, yet, woman as a beginning. Woman, Muna Wujina. So would you be the dance yana?
Kwabena Agyarko. No.
And also so, Gabby.
That's the same sign I can say. Do you have authorization or clearance from any of these institutions, that is RESEC, MPP, SY government, and the people of Takwari, to testify on behalf of the accused persons?
And your mammy was a matter of me, sir. And he quote at him what the Kama would you be that's no. And you be a quote and say, I'm a boss, one mamma or quine, the decay. Ato Kyeremanteng Batabuaku. They are talking me. LPP aban ekoi ena de toso miensa takrade abato mpesi aso wo mu ina ma okwan se bra na bedi adanse ma chema Wontumi Akunta Mining ene de oka ho no
Kwabena Agyarko. No.
Eno so Kwabena Agyarko me say no. Gabby.
That's the same sign I can say.
Yo.
Are you an expert in anything at all?
Now, maybe so. Who want him to issue? Be one.
Kwabena Agyarko. I have a master degree in democratic governance and law in diploma.
Oh, Ebano Sadia near Metumaka says, Ebano, ye boo mine, Kabima mean Kabi Kwanso dia. Monsieur Wadiako pa kuta abodi masters nibi ana bade mramu nso so a eno nso so makwada mu kakra tua Kwaku diploma kra wo mramu
we yeri tu mani
ona na se ba bedi adanse
odi yantu ye yenwie ni yenwie na afefe ko Nana,
yo.
You even if you have that, it does not make you an expert. Yes, I'm saying cancer.
Yo, sir. Kwabena Agyarko, what can I say here? One me be ya adwuna gye atum say. Say wo masters ni diploma no wan no kra no a. Enya de betumi da ye nyina so aka say, wo ye nimdifo, wo sianhunu wo de aye kan mu.
Kwabena Agyarko didn't answer.
Ene de Kwabena Agyarko we yia no sa asembisa no.
I'm saying the say gina wo kasai.
Yo.
Is Chama Wontumi your friend?
Anya bia nya ogina atemu mu ayabo no kwadu Chama Wontumi benadentwu osiako. Oya onyanko.
No.
Ose no so Gabby.
Have you even met Chama Wontumi personally before this trial?
Anya bia mama mi say onya onyanko dia. Ansana ye be sha asem de yase no anya bia mumienu mohia.
Yes.
And I say, I yes, yeah.
It's hard here. Nane. Says Chama Wontumi no. Onya wadamfo.
Davi.
Nyon ni netu galamsey no.
Davi.
Ayabo no kwadu wo ho.
Davi.
Wo so onya wadamfo.
Yes.
But we here wo here obedi adanse ama no.
Na nanu wasan so admit say we mu share before the trial.
Oshia as what?
Awe he.
As a dear did Oshia wo.
Hey.
Now I may for from the Santo.
Nana, to
be continued.
Ewa wafa na asane si wo court.
Me mafa. Na yen kon lawyer ohini jan ho na yene no twetwe enkomo emfa ensemi ho kazo me waje no pay
me Joseph Brukami
na we de wani wani ahene mapa
nya asem kitwa
enra mu fi court ba no na mwani age papa and the daily guide so atro adiaba akunta mines reported illegal miners to ex-minister and no ye daily guide ababa to just say akunta mining for no e wo mo kan se nkofo bi wo chama Wontumi asase so mo ye adwuma no mo ko bo minister amane e pie mo cross examination e ko mo be ne pie free mu ba ya na mwani age na we su kwa report daily guide a oni ewiase beche
yo kwa me mencha wa no pay na menje Ghana for wajibre ATL program so mencha wa no pay enra wo saja wo kana no sa pepepe se enra na honorable Kwabena Agyarko amribia otwam no na ono na ye RISEC as a regional security council penny and I'm saying no ye regional minister e wo ho ntire don't forget the Samra boy concession no ho asem and I ken e di ono na eye dansenia otoso enai ana wodi adanse e di amache ma Wontumi ene akonta mining na nura na Dr. Trim say deputy attorney general ototo na no na obisano obeso obisane say onimsane hono sa region western region hono na galamsey ya de ba kwa na edu omo nya pa e ma na ji tunte no kre na o tan bisa na no pese o kan di na ni nte na mse da galamsey edu omo nyanti no osusu se hello Barry osusu se
ba ja yo so pa
osusu se na akonta mining ye bibia etichema na atechema Wontumi ne company na ye bibia etichema fa galamsey wono as a regional minister no na obehu bibia etisa then na otchere say ono na so as a regional minister no samatefo na wadi on so akoje concessions a concession krona abande ma akonta mining no na samatefo no so wo concession na ye dia bom so munu ntwa timber e wo ta concession asa no mode ho no ma akonta mining se onkoye large scale mining enjini ono ka ye ne se nearby na ye a regional security council and penny for a name say akonta mining emum ajema Wontumi and a dano and a tro krata at the brew almost say illegal miners and as a galamsey for akugua so more ye galamsey into no more security for our bit yako frashom and also bit yako pamomo a free tata so that they are 1 year uncle on your galamsey e wona sase so e do say ye ka say when the year o member pa o be report to ma research for no say and the ba say asase no a say environment na e ya contaminate ne chema Wontumi mbom and officially formally no what they kata beto won anim say wonko flash out illegal miners every that concession na e dey ama akontaminate if anura otchere niemam ema obia te asie se akonta mining no mum e de be ye report formally e de ma RISEC say illegal miners are invade this concession na wo ye illegal mining e wo so e di ne tremu na o ma ye ne se ne ya osi e ma na dance no na e ya dia na amuka wo mpa enti so wo se na ipie no na enkufo ni ye tere na kwan a ofa so a enra otchere no na aya abutare mu a ato bi akoma so
baby na me hu se nkofo atwa social media se baby a jasem sai busa ne se na damfo ni Wontumi a okan se daabi we gina RISEC kanemu the den RISEC kanemu na obeka se wo ba be dia dance o se daabi na authorization from the party the people he represents our constituency na wo se daabi nkofo so fa ho no wo mo de nam se yes o se na damfo no de obedi dance ma na ye dey what is answer me to say
Oh, and who say, Yana court proceedings, no, say, I can no, or be crash me a father and will be crying and yes, sanity. They see, and the who say, what the kaya and the witness statement, watch the papa, oh, yeah, and it be a crada, a bit sabri. If they are not all same one, the witness statement, and they say, oh, no, why a member of parliament? Why a regional minister? And see, because of that, no, only the chairman or reset. I was Sabri way, Cosi Sabri way, the Sadia Mantino, or war. And in dear Effa Lema, Apostle, I was hard concessions, and there walk not say, oh, you know. And the other Dr. Trim Science Sana, all the course examination national, and an old Bissan or say, they say, yeah, on the regional minister beginning to war. A research to follow to me. The only general man, media dance, and another all say. They see any on the regional minister, the on cassette or research for 2 minutes or media dance, and then move media dance, yes, not or yet, chairman or research, because the lawyer regional minister. No. And the MIC was Abraham or wounding dear or own answer. And I obey dancing. And besides him say, if you want NPP for permission, then the constituency for not the David, maybe be a dancing say, I'm a former regional minister. I'm at my breath, and near my fortune, I may be one dancing. In the only say, no papa you to me a dreaming crow for one, I will be out in the dancing. And also besides the search, my own to me no, or an Adam Funtina obey the dancing Manuana. And not see the view. One Mahose, Semaun to me and Adam Funtina obey the dance here, the Amano, Nembum, obey the dance here, and Ghana, and we are there for 9 years, who say, now Bristol, I know your regional minister, no. For that matter, not or chairman or research, nearby, and then I ban a 3 years. Until a wound named Dia or one. And on the back of Tamako to a would see Pepe or Sabrin. And there's a big of father so such about me that I doubt for Jáil over the other year. Then the father said the idea, I want to relate to one tear. But some Yamana will be standing now, Sunday I can say about the substance of the case, Nankasana, a work for Tahiti was them now. The father say, and said down quote to the substance of a Nankasana or the camp. And they had prepared Jabu as a wood door or a Mrapine.
Now, and then some mobile and now, my son, maybe I know about saying, you are Kwabena Agyarko, Mensa Bedi, Nadansia Wien, and our bone created to know Wien. I can't witness in the say.
Your witness, my father, Nameya Doma, Ayu Kuada. Your best friend or no, so I be dancing. And you are not and they am cocos, but Kuada is the cocos.
The last witness, I'm over friend, I be hobby.
Kwame, star witness now. Oh, the winner, a true baby, a better now, I did be pa or what? Here, sir, I was a friend. Yeah, and they don't say, the best friend, I don't see a for friend, I say, you're the best you are.
Now, my Musa question we Saturday all but Wednesday, I bet the dancing. I want to know.
Kwame Sabri, you're fine.
What is it about? Are you Kwabena Agyarko honorable? Can say a contaminant you won't to me no chocolate abona maniano. Embramuno, and now mining shame, next or Minerals Commissioner Manie, and I say research chairman as or Bonamanie.
Oh, Kwame, who say, and bad say, and go for IVD or concession. Now, this is Jumabia or one in your one. Who's a security issue? And this all here and what a security for which me a Buana Yakopamo everywhere. I don't know a research issue. And then as Abrin or Chokoma research for say regional security council Moha and a new concession. Concession of Minyan Shatias me too good because they are light scale man and I may baby. Now, fan, I may start here, I bet 2 light scale man and Uncle Kwaku Busu award, dear galamsey or say assassin. enti no madaro ma mo mfa mo tumi so eme pam sample for no free concession no so mame enti sa ne tie sa pepepe ne tie and I said that contaminating case I will face you Samra boy concession no and yes quite busy abon quite busy for illegal mining that be and yes I quite busy for assignment to the Amahamri Okum Amahamri na kwata no so if your mom can say and now woman didn't say way now yes Wontumi is not facing illegal mining charge for say they be no mukano nembom unlawful assignment no and NAPO and they no cross examination no no so bam ema kwabla otchere darko say mrapans no you can only assign by written instrument no akwaje a permission or approval from the sector minister in the whereby any written instrument that says that there has been assignment in the first place it means there has not been any assignment and then the so kobo minerals commission amandie so kobo we amandie say basa Akufo invade concession and there a security issue and there was a the command
kazo ade maminya o na me senya mpanso mfama why
ba me nyamen ka